Hey folks, welcome to another episode of John Cruz Reflects. And here we're going to see the whole cable cars, how they open up. As you can see, one is there, waiting in the mix. There's the other one going. There's the famous Buena Vista Club there. So we're going to see the whole process, how it works. And here we go. Live and direct. So all the people are waiting there. I'm going to see how this works. So I'm guessing they're all pulling up. This is the end of the road, I guess. This is all for my special fans out there in John Cruz Reflects. We're here by the Fisherman's Wharf. So these are all the cable cars I've been filming for you guys. Just for you guys to get a nice little close-up look there. And I believe what they do is they're gonna just go there, then I think they're gonna turn it around. That's what they do. That might be the desk there, and or the people are just climbing on board. So let's kind of go around a little bit, see if we can get a closer look. That's the line to get on the cable car. So you can see it's pretty long actually. Those are all the people there. You guys want to see a quick turnaround, see how beautiful this is? Okay, we're in the Fisherman's Wharf. Buena Vista there. So let's continue. And this is the whole entire process. This is how it starts. So they just kind of turn around. Look at all the beautiful cobblestones on the floor there.
I'll run over to the other side of the street and get a picture. You guys want to sit there?
Just look in the ground here for a second. Not sure how many more cobblestones they have in America, but that's just absolutely beautiful. See that? Okay, so let's go around. I'm assuming the people, they get the tickets right there. So, I'm not sure what the tickets cost, but we can find out. You guys get a price of that? So now we got a more closer view of that. That's the price, what it costs to get on this. And then, so this car looks like it's about to roll out. They're just waiting to see what's going to happen. And I believe this is their station where they take a break. So it's pretty cool stuff, right? So as you can see, this is where they do all the turnaround here. And yeah, beautiful night.
Just watch and see.
And we all get the turnaround. So we're all waiting for the climactic moment where they're gonna take off, and so on and so forth. So let's go a little bit over here. There's a shot of the cable car situation. All right, well, that's pretty much it. We're waiting to see when they're gonna pull out. All right, this could be the moment of truth here. Once they'll pull out, I'll stop recording. I just want you guys to see what the process is like, and then we'll follow them out. Once again, I want to encourage you to subscribe to John Cruz Reflects for more content like this. No gimmicks, no editing software. What you see is what you get. Always keeping it real with you guys, my audience, and I really do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of John Cruz Reflects. Would really appreciate if you guys subscribe. It really helps me to continue to produce more content like this at John Cruz Reflects, and so that I can continue to produce more longer form content. I know you guys are loving my shorts, and I appreciate all 118 guys, all the 100 subscribers right now on my channel. I really do appreciate that. Love you guys, love your support. Don't be afraid to continue to put some comments, because I respond to every single comment. And you know, this is art for the people. This is what I love doing for you guys. And I'm gonna stay quiet just for this last 2 minutes or so. See if they pull out. All right, we'll go around this way. Just one last keynote. These cars have been operating in San Francisco for more than 100 years. I believe it's 1873 was when they're, here he goes, and they're off. Here we go, folks. Let's follow them around, see how it goes. That's the process. Go. And then goes into the night. So thanks for watching, folks. I hope you guys learned something in this wonderful video that I got for you guys. I intentionally came out here just to film this and to show you guys a behind the scenes look of how the whole entire system works at, you know, the cable car system. See how everything works with all that. Wanted you guys to see how all of that works. And this is also the famous Buena Vista Club too, by the way. It's kind of a good way to say goodbye to you guys, and we'll say goodbye. Thank you for watching.